Hello there, welcome to the next channel, which is all about sewing. Today we're going to continue our blouse to finish our placket. Now I remember saying to you guys that I'll take you to the machine, but I realized if I take you there you won't see the step by step, so I'll show you in the instruction sheet, and then I'll bring the camera down and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, I've done the left side. I've sewn the left placket. Okay, so this is where I am. Let's see if I can show you. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, this is where I am now. Okay, this is where I am now. So I'm gonna bring the camera down and then we'll take it from there. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. Remember the pleats? I said I was gonna base it down. I did. Now, after you stitch your stay stitches, you clip the corners on an angle. So this is what you end up with. Now that I finished my left side, I'm going to flip it together. I hope you're watching. This is the front with the pleat, and this is the right side of the left placket. So now I'm bringing it. And I'll pin it and show it to you. My the placket pieces, I made it a little bit longer, so I'll have something to hold on to when I'm sewing, and then I'll trim it all off. So okay, this is the wrong side. This is wrong side, and this is the right side. So now what I'm going to do is stitch this across. Okay, so you make sure the stitch ends is right at the corner of the opposite side. Okay, so I have it pinned again, and then I'm going to stitch it. And then I'll bring this up, the seam allowance up. But I'll show it to you before I stitch the right side. Okay, so hold on and I'll be right back. Time is going so fast. Hello. Okay, this is it. There we go. And this is the wrong side. Okay, so this is the left hand side. Now I'm going to pin the right, and maybe I should pin it and then come back because time is running fast. Okay, so I'll be right back again. Hold on. Hello, I'm back. Listen, family, I made a mistake. Remember, the left side, you're supposed to put the wrong side of the placket to the wrong side of the blouse. Okay, but I flip it around, so I corrected it. So this is it. Now this I base it down so to be easier for me, the right side. So now it's gonna go, and this will be the wrong side when I'm done, and this is the right side. Okay, make sure the corners are very hard to get it smooth, so make sure you take your time. The intermediate and the advanced, they will find it easy, but beginners, take your time. As I always say, step by step, step by step. Okay, so I'm going to trim this off and then trim this a little bit down. This I'll trim a little bit off. Okay, And then I think I'll finish it next week, because this, the only thing I had to do is just stitch it. Oh, where am I? Stitch it down. Oh, stitch it down to the V, and come and then across. So that's all I need to do. And then I put the pocket and everything already. So I'll stitch the shoulder, the sleeves, and do the buttonholes. All those I've walked you through before. The only thing I haven't walked you through before is the placket. Okay, so that's the main thing that I was concerned about. And then I made a mistake, so I corrected it. Okay, there. So this is the right side, this is the wrong side, and this is the extension placket. Okay, there we go. I hope I know what I'm doing. There, that looks better. So, okay, and we'll be all done. So I had to press the hem and then finish it up. Okay, so the collar, the sleeve, everything, I've walked you through that before. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thank you.